Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on MDT. As in my earlier videos of MDT, I was showing you that first it broke out a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and after that it broke out another wedge on the daily time frame chart. And this was the video that I shared when it broke out the smaller falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, and you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price and has rallied very well so far. Uh, from this though, when last time it was testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, it has rallied almost 203%, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of 8 cents that was previously working as a resistance here. And before that, it has been working as a resistance here as well. And now it is again working, but over here, it was also working as a resistance back in the month of July 2023. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and it will be more visible, you can see that this 8 cents this resistance had been previously working as a resistance here, and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it's working as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of MDT. And now on the daily time frame chart recently, while moving inside the sub channel, you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price line also formed the sub channel. Finally, we have broken out the resistance of this channel, and the movement is now getting squeezed inside between this resistance of 8 cents and this support of the channel. By the way, when we broke out this channel at the same time, you can see that stochastic was entered the overbought zone, and it was not able to form another higher than previous high, like the price line was forming another higher than previous high. Therefore, we had this bearish divergence here, and the price line could not continue this move to the upside, and it is dropped down here at the support, at the resistance of the channel that is now working as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for one chain, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup, I shared on 14th of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart of MDT. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that after the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, the price line was moving inside this channel. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, and another rejection. And finally, the price line broke out this uptrend line resistance of this channel. And now it is retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support. After the breakout, you can see that the price line was forming another higher than previous high, but at the same time, stochastic was forming lower high than previous high. Therefore, this was a quite clear bearish divergence. Therefore, the price line is again dropped down, and it is now retesting this previous resistance of the channel as support. For example, if the price line breaks down this support, then it can drop down at this very long-term support and resistance zone. That starts from 6 cents and goes to 5.5 cents. That has been previously working as a very, very strong support and resistance zone, like it was working as a resistance zone here, resistance here, and before that, for several days or weeks, it has been working as a very, very strong support. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line. But so far, so good. The price line has broken it out, this channel, and now it is moving above the resistance of the channel. And now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, that technical target can be here. That will be approximately at 11 cents. And if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this wedge that I've been telling you in my so many previous videos, is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 15 cents. And over there, we have another quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 15 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and almost has a resistance here as well. And here on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that this was the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my older videos back in January 2023, and even in 2022, I have been showing you this wedge as well. And I was telling you that the target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge at 15 cents. And you can see that we have already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, but could not break out this level of 15 cents. This target of 15 cents was also breaking at a very, very strong resistance. Therefore, the price and got rejected after this rally. And now After the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern, we may see another attempt for the breakout from this resistance of 15 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.